tell you about us Aries. Most of us don't even get to celebrate our birthday in 2020. Happy birthday, homie. For me, happy birthday, homie. For me, yeah. Now make a wish. Hey everyone, welcome to TheNoelEffect. Happy Easter to you and happy birthday to me. Go ahead and drop a happy birthday in the comments for your girl birthday. If you want to see how I cheat this look, just keep on watching. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started with this birthday look. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with this concealer. Go ahead and pat that in. I'm going for a pink, goldish pink look today. I'm not going anywhere because it's a quarantine birthday, but I still want to look cute for my birthday and for Easter. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. And I'm going to be using the color Totally Fetch. This one here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this pink in the same palette. It's called Cotton Candy. Alrighty, so in the same palette, I am going to go in with Mocha. I'm just going to go in my crease right here just a little bit. So I have this really cute, it's a color tattoo, 50K. I don't know. I found somewhere. Alright, so I went ahead and messed up my eyeliner off camera. And the primer I used is Prime Light. Now I'm going with my Maybelline Super Stay. 24 Hour Super Stay. Love this. I like to put it on the back of my hand so it can warm up a bit. Going in with my beauty sponge. Okay, next we're gonna go back in with our Tarte Shape Tape. And I am in the color Tan Sand, and we're gonna go ahead and highlight with this. So with this concealer being so thick and full coverage, I like to dab it on, and then I use a concealer brush to smooth it out, but I just pat it. Going back in with my beauty sponge. Blend, hunty, blend, hunty. We all know if you blend, you slay, period. Now I'm going in with my setting powder with my damp sponge. I don't mind it being damp. I like to go under and press it in instead of swiping away. Okay, so to contour with, I'm going to go in with my WITHME loose finishing powder in the color 40 dark. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my blush, a blush I found at Dollar Tree, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just put a little color back in your face, you don't want too much. Then I'm gonna highlight with my Wet n Wild. This is called Awesome Blossom. Okay, for the lips, I like to go in and line it with this bow lip in the color dark brown by NK Makeup. This is a really inexpensive lip liner and it's really creamy. Now I like to go in with my NYX Matted Lipstick in the color Stable. Now I'm going to go on top because I love a good gloss. I don't like a matted look too much, not on myself in particular, with everybody's favorite, the Butter Gloss by NYX. If you don't know about this, I'm putting you on. Now I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara. Going back into my Bon Bon palette, I'm going to go ahead and use Totally Fetch to go on my waterline. The eyelashes that I'm using for this look is a pair of eyelashes I picked up from the beauty supply. Never used these before, but they look so cute, so we're gonna try them out. Going back in with my highlighter, I'm going to go in my duck tears. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. And I just want to say, I hope everybody is staying safe and prayed up during this quarantine time. I know it's kind of hard being isolated from everybody, but staying home is the safest thing. And I want to go ahead and celebrate my birthday with you all. So with that being said, let's take a shot. And I just want to say to prosperity, abundance, and growth, and keeping our families and friends safe. Cheers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.